Looks like this is our stop.
Bueno, entonces retomamos de este lado que había quedado acá. En el puente. Así que bueno. Ahí está el cachorrito. Hola, Bullet. Hola. Vamos a acariciarlo.
Yeah, good dog.
Hola, cachorro. Tanto tiempo. Ahora sí. De acá en adelante ya no sé qué hacer. Ay. Así que bueno, vamos en busca de eso. Seguir avanzando. ¿Qué? ¿Hay combate? ¿O qué? Ah, pues la música.
Yeah.
Yeah.
What's going on? Are you okay?
Yeah, no, it's nothing. And everything. Yeah, I know I'm not making any sense right now, but that's the thing. I think I'm starting to lose it, Jess. I see things and I don't even know if they're real or not. I don't know which is worse.
God damn it, Ellis. I can't do this again. I'm sorry, but I can't.
Jess, please. I need you.
You need help, Ellis. I tried to be there for you, I really did, but you keep pushing me away. Keep going deeper and deeper.
Jess.
No, Ellis, I'm sorry, but I won't let you drag me down with you.
God damn it. Yeah, I'm sorry. I'll call you later.
Paró la música de repente. No sé si me da más miedo eso que... Bueno, a ver. Bueno, Bullet, busca.
Seek. What you got there, Bullet?
Ah, mira. Ay, qué
What'd you
bonito.
find?
Siempre me he considerado una persona razonable, pero es esta naturaleza racional la que me ha estado cegando. No quería creer, estaba dispuesto a aceptar que me estaba volviendo loco solo para evitar enfrentarme a la realidad, pero ahora lentamente empiezo a ver. Cuanto más tiempo paso en este bosque, más evidente se vuelve todo. Solo unos pocos días más, solo unos días más y por fin podré darle caza. Darle caza a esa criatura. Ni en pedo. Por ahí claramente no se puede ir, así que bueno, por este caminito. Uy, uy, uy. Uy. ¿Y eso río? ¿Perrito? ¿Bullet? Ah. ¿Qué pasó?
I hate when people do that.
Qué agua tan sucia y cristalina a la vez. A ver.
Place we were looking for.
Bueno, sí. Sigamos. ¿Qué coño es eso? Ok, algo. Otra muñeca más. Nada para leer. ¿Qué es eso? ¿Qué es esa señal?
It's old, not abandoned.
Rafael. Bueno, vamos a seguir. Veo, a ver, una cinta. Ok, está persiguiendo a alguien. ¿Hay un perro? ¿O no? Ah, no, es mi perro. ¿Qué pasa?
We're not alone here. Locked.
Nada, supongo que voy a tener que mirar la cinta de video. Ahí está. Lo he visto, no es una bruja ni un monstruo, es un hombre cargando con la piel de una persona despellejada. Me ha visto bien hacia aquí, Carver. Bueno, pero... ¿Y el monstruo? No es solamente 3324. ¿Y el monstruo ese? No sé qué onda. Bárbara. 3324. Por acá, bueno, veo que nada más. Tres, 2, 4, pero ¿de qué será la...? ¿De dónde será el código ese? Ah, acá, mira, qué boluda. 1, 2, 3. Ah, ahí está, mira.
Huh?
¿Escucho una persona? Antes de seguir, voy a explorar un poco el lugar. Nada, bueno, lo único que hay para ver es esto.
Jesus. Hey. It's badly mutilated.
¡Ay! ¡Qué
Some of
horror!
those are defense wounds. Multiple cuts, probably a long blade. The blood's still fresh. Let me just...
Sí, definitivamente todas esas personas son las que mató, ¿no?
What? How? Jesus Christ! What the fuck just happened?
Vamos a ver. El asesinato.
Drop the knife or I'll shoot you.
Ese tipo, como siempre, es que es el asesino. O acá.
Chance. Saw went right into the collarbone. Holding it. His face.
Acá hay una puerta. ¿Qué? ¿Está el asesino?
You killed Lanning.
Did you see her?
What?
When you looked into their eyes, did you see her?
Where's Peter? What have you done to him?
It's not time yet. He waits.
Stop messing with me or what?
You kill me. Killing is always the solution, isn't it? You're far too weak, too scared. Your hands are trembling even now.
Oh my gosh.
die. She has to die. Such is her will.
Mientras no mata al perrito, todo bien. ¿Qué irá a pasar,
What are you
no?
doing here, Private?
It was me, sir.
What was?
Elijah 5. I was the point man, sir.
What are you trying to say, soldier?
I led those men into the ambush, sir.
Nine injured, 6 dead, 6 grieving widows, 9 orphaned children, 1 negligent soldier. You should have been court-martialed.
I couldn't stay. Not after that.
It wasn't your fault, Ellis.
Easy. So easy. Oh, you're so weak. I was weak like you once. See this knife? I remember holding it against my wrist, pressing it deeper and deeper, wanting to end it all, to silence the voices. Weak. Pathetic. I should have listened from the start. That's what set me free. You'll understand soon enough.
Siempre muestran a esa chabona ahí. Al final. ¿Y Bullet?
He's gone.
Ahí está el cachorro.
He dragged me out here and just left?
Come in, Alice. Hey there, sleepyhead.
Ah, empecé de cero.
Search the campsite. Something's waiting there for you.
That son of a bitch.
Listen, Alice. This is nothing personal, really. I'd kill you right then and there, I swear, but she wants you. She didn't say anything about the boy. So look, here's the boy. Here's the knife. Here's what I want you to do. Go to the tree. You know which one. Gather a few of those white branches. Simple, right? Now let me sweeten the deal. Do as I say, and I'll lead you right to my little corner of the woods, so we can chat, man to man.
Fucking bastard. Wait, what the hell is this?
Otra muñeca. Che, el perro está meta a llorar. ¿Pasó algo? ¿Pasó algo? Ay. Bueno.
Yeah, good dog.
No, bro, ¿sabes que no? ¿Sabes que no sé de qué árbol me estás hablando?
This thing looks different too.
Recuerdo que él les tenía miedo, él jamás se habría acercado, no importaba lo que le dijeses, con ellos cerca no te habría hecho caso. Tuve que buscar otra manera, guiarle como a un niño. Si no, este animal terco habría gruñido y chillado sin descanso, volviendo a mí solo tras haberle dejado completamente solo. Al menos ahora tengo tranquilidad y estoy en paz. Y... ¿qué cachorrito? Ver cintas. ¿Y si...? ¿Podré ver algo con esto realmente? A ver, bueno, vamos a seguir esto.
Alice. Answer me. Come in and off you go. Straight into the lion's den.
What are you talking about?
Keep your eyes on the camera. You'll see soon enough. And keep the mud close, or it'll wake him up.
Bueno, perrito.
Stay close, Bullet.
Quédate quieto. Cerca. No ladres, por favor.
Heal.
Cerca.
Stick together, Bullet. I don't want to lose you in this fog. Heal. Bullet, wait.
Quieto.
Take the mug with you. It might Alice. I know you're there. Careful now, Alice. Your little flashlight won't help you here. Oh, but don't worry. I won't leave you alone out there.
I don't need your help.
Oh, don't be like that. Look around. I left you a sign.
What?
A sign. Look for it. Go where it leads.
Allá hay algo.
What the hell? Stay close, Bullet.
Quédate cerca, quédate cerca.
Heal.
Hay algo ahí.
You're being careless, Alice. And what is it you're doing?
Ay, no.
Come here, boy.
Está acá nomás el monstruo, no lo despiertes.
Hey, buddy, what's wrong?
Listo.
Don't tell me you're afraid of those little things.
Es al Bullet que le dan miedo.
Come here, boy.
Y si Bullet tiene miedo, vamos a romper esas cositas que le hacen dar miedo a Bullet.
Now stop. Turn left, Alice.
Here, boy.
Yeah, that's it. Now walk forward. What are you waiting for? for? Go.
Heal.
Move. Turn to the right. What's the problem, Ellis? Just go. Stop fooling around. Turn left, Ellis. Slightly to the right. Good,
Come here,
Ellis.
boy.
Just a little more. Almost there. To the right, Ellis.
What the hell is wrong with this forest?
What if it's not the forest, Ellis? Maybe it's all in your head. It's not, but hey, whatever makes you feel better. What are you waiting for? Go! Turn right. Wait, just go forward. You really want to mess with me, Ellis? Don't you remember what's at stake here? The kid. Why don't you remind him? You hear that, Ellis?
Un hijo de su fucking madre. ¿Y esto? Acá nomás está, ok.
Almost there, Ellis. All you need is a few twigs.
Here, boy.
Unas ramas. Pero, ¿y las ramas? Ah, acá.
Can't believe I'm doing this. One.
What the fuck?
What the? Hey, Psycho, what the hell is this? This thing bleeds.
Don't be silly. Freaks don't bleed. Now look around. Do you see it?
What?
The trail. Do you see it?
Sí.
I think so.
Follow it.
Joder. ¡Ay! Ay, me asusté y me recagué.
Did it miss?
Oh, what's wrong, Ellis? Your mind playing tricks on you again. Now stop fooling around and follow the trail. One more step and they'll see you. Now you must face
Verga, verga, verga.
Come here, boy. Here.
Ay, ay, ay. Me tengo que alejarlos.
you got a death wish, Ellis.
Verga. Bien hasta.
Blind mice, two blind mice, fine for some fun, fine for some fun. They made up their minds and said,
Ay, ay.
said it would be dull to remain at home. And into the forest at night they would go to meet their woe. Two blind mice, two blind mice. See how they run, see how they run. They're running away from the devil's wife who cut off the tails with a carving knife. Have you ever seen such a sight?
La puta madre.
Two blind mice.
Here.
Tengo que seguir el rastro.
The tracks end here.
Sí, no vemos nada. Una casa quemándose. Una casa, bueno, no sé.
What is it, Ellis? Are you lost? Don't worry, the trail is still there. You just can't see him. Oh, but the dog can. Tell it to seek.
Go on, buddy. I'm counting on you.
Vamos, chiquito.
Oh, bullet, don't. I found the stag. It's dead.
You don't say. That's probably because I killed it. Now, take
Ay, todo lo que le ordena.
What?
¿Qué onda?
the skin, peel it off, take it. Or would you rather I take some off the boy? Good. Almost there, Ellis.
Qué impresión.
What now? What?
The symbol. I want you to make one. You have the twigs. You have the skin.
Brujería.
Use them. So hurry up.
Fine. Have it your way. Fucking nutcase.
Ni sí, ni modo. Estaba en un bosque encantado, embrujado. Literalmente.
Satisfied?
Not quite. There is one more thing. This one's easy. You've done it before.
Uy, qué cosa.
But first, let the mutt sniff the symbol. He'll take you right where you need to go.
Ow. The only scent he'll get is my own.
Just do it.
Bueno.
Come here, boy. Bullet, buddy. Wait. You're not afraid of it?
Did you really think slapping some twigs together would be enough? It's not ready yet.
No sé, yo sigo al perro nomás. Como debería. Uy, eso. No puedo subir. ¿Qué hueles, Bullet? ¿Qué hueles?
Aren't you curious what's in there?
No, realmente no.
You have to do to find out.
Sí, meterme, la puta que te parió.
Go on, boy. Check it out.
Ay, no. Ay, no. No, perrito, que no te pase nada. Bullet.
Bullet?
¿Qué pasó?
I have to do something.
Vamos a acariciarlo,
It's
pobrecito.
all right,
Sí.
buddy. It's all right. I'm sorry I made you do that.
Bueno, le vamos a dar un... Vamos a dar esto, para que se sienta mejor.
You want some, boy? Bullet, search.
O tendré que volver. No va a meterse otra vez. No me da la opción, así que hay que seguir. ¿Qué hacemos, Bullet?
rely on someone who killed your friend. And who do you despise more? Me or yourself for being so powerless?
Yeah, keep talking. Before this is over, I'll make you pay for what you did.
I used to hate myself. I despised how weak I was. I tried to fight it. I kicked, scratched, bit, but that is all useless. Don't move.
What? Again?
Just stand still, Ellis.
¿Qué pasa?
Crouch. Stand up. You're not listening, Ellis. So you choose to ignore me. Fine, so be it. The boy will suffer the consequences.
Pero si me levanté.
Ellis, you had a choice. You could just do what you were told. But you kicked, scratched, bit. And for that, you'll pay. Some things are just too big to be defied. We are like birds caught in barbed wire. The more we struggle, the deeper the spikes go. The only way to end your suffering is to surrender.
So your only solution was to just give up?
I moved beyond what I once was.
Ah, es un hijo de puta el chabón este. Alto psicópata. ¿Qué? O sea... Sí me tardé un segundo en levantarme.
I don't like the look of this, buddy. Not one bit. So what is it? Another body?
Wouldn't you like to know?
No.
What? I don't understand.
You're almost there. Almost free. Just one more step. That's all it takes.
You want me to kill myself?
I gave you what you wanted all these years. No, kill the dog. Bury it.
What? Oh, fuck you, no!
It'll be quick. Think about it. I could have left you a knife.
No, I will not kill Bullet!
But this is where you draw the line. A fucking dog.
Sí.
I should have drawn one long ago. I'm not doing this anymore.
Oh, you brought this on yourself. On the boy.
Stop hiding behind a child, you coward! God damn it!
Ni en pedo, no. No. O sea... ¿ahí me llegan a hacer eso en la vida real? No.
No. That's impossible. Bullet, no!
Ay, Dios, no, Bullet. Tengo que ir.
Bullet?
¿Está por acá?
Bullet!
¡Pero tirate, amigo! Ay, Dios mío. ¡Tírate! ¿Qué va a andar pensando? Ah, bueno.
Hold on, boy, I'm coming.
¿Qué pasa? No.
Oh God, no, please. Don't move, buddy. Shush. It's gonna be fine. Let me just Boy, you're heavy.
No, mira, mi chiquitita que te voy a dejar acá, no.
Scraps from the table. Gonna have to take longer walks, buddy. All around the block. I'm not kidding. Good boy. It's okay. It's gonna be okay.
Ay, no, yo tengo que lloro. Ah, no, yo no me banco estas cosas con los animales. ¿Cuánto más
You'll be all right,
será?
buddy.
¿Realmente estaremos avanzando?
Oh, this place. We've been here before.
Por eso estamos yendo en círculo. Es el mismo lugar una y otra vez. Dios mío,
Not this again.
Pero cada vez se está poniendo... La visión está cada más peor.
Easy, boy. Easy. I'm here. I'm with you.
No sé si es porque está cansado o es porque así tiene que ser. Abandona al perro. ¿Por qué? No, nunca. Jamás. No me importa lo que pase.
Shh. No, it's okay, buddy. No one's leaving anyone. We came here together. We're walking out together.
No te voy a dejar. No voy a dejar al perrito. ¿Qué pretende que haga? No lo voy a soltar. Y cuando termina, no lo pienso soltar. Uy. Uy. ¿Qué habrá pasado,
Bullet? No. No, fuck! Fuck!
Bueno, yo lo voy a dejar acá y vamos a ver qué sigue en el siguiente capítulo, en la siguiente parte del video. Así que bueno, espero que les haya gustado. Veremos qué pasa ahora con Bullet. Esperemos que nada malo. Ay, qué feo. Bastante triste, pero bueno, ahora veremos qué tal.